Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Nissan Altima with keys inside. When you find yourself locked out, the first step is to remain calm and assess your options. While it might be tempting to try quick fixes, professional assistance is often the most reliable and safest approach. This ensures your vehicle's integrity and avoids potential damage to its sensitive systems. Calling a professional locksmith is highly recommended. These experts possess the right tools and training to unlock your Nissan Altima without causing any damage to the door, windows, or internal mechanisms. They can usually reach your location quickly, providing a fast and efficient solution to your lockout situation. It's a small investment for peace of mind and avoiding costly repairs. Another excellent option is to utilize your roadside assistance. Many car insurance policies and auto club memberships, such as AAA, include lockout services as part of their benefits. This can often be a cost-effective or even free solution, depending on your plan. Always check your policy details or membership benefits to understand what services are covered and how to request assistance. To prevent future lockouts, consider having a spare key made and kept in a secure, accessible location outside your vehicle. While it's frustrating to be locked out, remember that professional help is always the safest route. Avoid using makeshift tools that could damage your car's paint or electronics. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.